I've been buying some stuff for the old ATV, not that old, I guess, because I don't have anything really for it. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money, when I don't have to, just in case. So I found these on the Amazon. They call them motorcycle goggles, but a set of 5 dirt bike, ATV, motocross, anti-UV, 400 tactical military goggles for men, women, kids, youth, adults. Now you can get them like what I got. It's a 5-pack for $23. You're looking at like $4 per goggle, something like that. $4 and change, $4.70. I don't know. Do the math. It looks like you get a tinted, a mirrored, clear maybe. It looks like a yellow and an amber, which is cool. Now, for a little bit more money, you could go with this route and get these funky ones, if you're getting them like for the family maybe. Or you can get these ones, which is the 5, plus you get the bunch of masks. Now, I have a whole bunch of masks, so I don't need them. Anyways, that's kind of their dimensions. If you're interested at all in this, there's the tinted, right? There's them looking badass on that dummy, I guess, person. I don't know. Anyways, $24. So 4 stars. Again, excellent. Not tested. I don't know how you give a review when it's not tested. Great product. Set of 5 goggles for one low price. A lot of 4 stars, some 5s. You're right, 4 stars. And you have to go pretty far down here before, well, you have to go to all reviews before you get anything that's kind of not a 4. So I was like, okay, that's down, especially when you can spend, $20 or $30 on a single pair. So these are going to be used primarily for ATV riding. Now I like these though. Kamimoto makes a pair. Maybe I can ask them to send me, look at those. Maybe I can get them to send me a pair of goggles. 4.5 stars. I'll put that on the list. Put that on the list for sure. All right. Anyways, what I'm going to do here is close this, and we're going to bring up the bag that has goggles in it. Okay, here it is. This is the bag which contains all the magic. Right there. There's the hump. The hump. All right. I have no idea what I'm getting. It seems like a ridiculously small bag for what it is. They're all in here. All in here. Right? What is this? I don't know. D+ goggles. D+. Made in the China. Okay. You can't expect too much for the price, right? And really, the ones I'm going to try on here, I'm going to try on the clear, because that's probably ones I'll wear, and the mirrored. And they are, these, you know what, I would probably bring these with me up for motorcycle riding if, let's say you get caught in the rain or something. It could be good. I don't know. Just so you guys can see, right? You do get, looks like maybe some like venting to come in through there. Okay. They look all right. You got nice foam. Feels somewhat bendy, and the glass looks okay. It's, it is what it is. They're probably like, honestly, these are probably the cheapest goggles you can get if you bring them down to single pair, right? Single pair. Like I said, you're looking at, what are we looking at? $4.50 or something like that per glass, right? All right, so we put that on this way. Ready? Okay. I wasn't sure if they were going to be like feel small or not, but no, those are all right. Maybe I should do all my reviews with these on, right? Can't do eye tracking, but I think, you know what, with a helmet on there, those will fit nice. Not a bad size. They had a little bit of a down. They don't come down too far, but I think you guys can get a good view of them. That's the mirror. The mirror is stylish. I think so. Yes, that's stylish. Okay. All right. I'm okay. Now, I don't know how fast these will scratch or anything like that, but again, for the price, you know what? Probably not horrible. Clear is nice, and it seems, it sounds funny, but it seems like nice and clear. Like it doesn't have like a fog or a film or anything like that on it. It seems like there might be maybe some, is it dirt or light or glare? It's glare. So there is a little bit of glare I found on the clears, but I do have this really bright light right there. You guys can see it in my glasses, right? That are shining on me. But here though, it's good. Yeah. And again, I think those will be really nice for driving when it's like dark out. Yes. Okay. And the other thing I was thinking too, right, is like, you may be able to, I don't know for sure. I'll get my wife to try them on. You may be able to wear like glasses. Now they're not crazy deep. Like there's not a lot of depth to them. So I don't know if you'd get away with wearing them with glasses. I was hoping maybe, let's go with the amber. These are nice, like morning time, nighttime riding, something like that. Yeah, those are okay too. You get some good definition out of those. Might as well try them all on, right? So, yeah, get them snugged up there. Let me just bring my hat down more. Maybe. There we go. I lost focus. Can't see me now. It's like, no, I don't know where you are. There you are. Okay, anyways. Tinted, yes. 24 bucks. So let's say $5 a pair, right? Tinted. You know, and maybe you could just wear these for skiing if you felt like it's snowboarding, whatever. You know, that's okay. Yeah. And last but not least, the good old yellows, because you need a pair of yellows depending on your condition, right? But they all fit good, you know, nice and snug. The band's a good size. It kind of fits right where you want it. Easy, looks like it should be like really easy. It's just one little strap just to adjust, so that's okay. It's amazing how cheap they can sell some of this stuff. Now, are you going to get better quality with paying more money? Yeah, without question, right? It's definitely not the most expensive pair of goggles I've ever worn in my life. But my thought process is something like this, where you're wearing it and you're out and about doing stuff and you're getting tree branches smacking you in the face and things like that. Because I like to wear like my shield up. I'm going to put my adventure helmet back on with the brim. But because my shield is up, my face shield, there's a better chance that you could just get something smack you right in the face. So one of these, super useful, super useful. 25-ish dollars for the whole lot. 25-ish dollars for the whole lot. I don't think you can go wrong. Again, I don't know how these are going to be for, how they are for scratches or things like that. But when you think about the fact that these are $5 a pair, what can you expect, right? All right, guys, I'm going to put links down below if you guys are interested in these, because my guess is the ones I bought are from this D+, but they're probably just branded and sent to you by whomever. So I'll take a look and put links down below, because there's no like branding or anything like that on them anywhere. So just on the bag. So there you go. Links down below if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell, and I'm going to wear one of these on my next trek out. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Later.